When it came on the set, I knew what I was doing. So that's why when Amir Khan said that he told Mr. Bhatt that he does not agree with my interpretation, in my mind, and with all my respect and love for him, I my mind that, बेटा, मैंने इतनी किताबें पढ़ी हैं जितनी तुमने जिंदगी में नहीं पढ़ी होंगी. I was not disrespectful towards him. I still have great admiration for him. But I did not want to sort of say, अभी यार ये हीरो है और मैं कैरेक्टर एक्टर हूँ, मैं चुप रहता हूँ, या अब मैं वो जो मुझे कह रहा है मैं वो मान लेता हूँ. So that was a point where I had to stand by my education and my conviction that no, this is not the way. First of all, you are not the director of the film. अब उसमें वो कोई भी होता. By that time I had worked with so many other people. किसी ने ऐसा नहीं कहा था. और भट्ट साहब के साथ मैं लिबर्टी ले सकता था. अगर भट्ट साहब की जगह कोई दूसरे डायरेक्टर होते और जो मुझे आके कहते नहीं जो कह रहे हैं ठीक कह रहे हैं, आपको ऐसा करना पड़ेगा, तो एज ए प्रोफेशनल आई वुड हैव डन इट. बट इट वाज माय को-एक्टर हु वाज telling the director, I don't agree with this interpretation. So then I had to, in my own polite, peaceful manner, tell him that I know much more than you know. Just because you're the hero of the film doesn't make any difference to my knowledge. And today I laugh about that incident. But I think when it comes to work, you can't use diplomacy. I think that was the only kissa that has happened. And I can speak about it because many years have passed, and he has the capability of taking it, I hope, in the right spirit, and I have the capability of telling it in the right spirit. There is no malice.
Of course.
But it's very important to stick to that. मैं अगर किसी अपने एक्टर को यहाँ पढ़ा रहा हूँ, हम सिर्फ एक्टिंग थोड़ा सिखाते हैं, हम उनको जीने का तरीका सिखाते हैं.
बिल्कुल. Which is why actor prepares, right?
Yeah,
like
yeah.
preparing for life and
for
for
life.
career.
So that's why it's very important to do that.